Occupation. I like to think myself open-minded.
I get my media from online blogs.
The media is no longer about the truth.
YouTube channels.
Mass media thrives as scandal-breed stories.
Facebook pages.
Social media drives people's misunderstanding of politics.
And the occasional newspaper article.
They have their own agenda. Am I no longer open-minded?
Look around you.
Nothing but distraction.
Try to see with your heart.
A world of corruption. Turn off the lights. Stare at the stars. When I look around, we are all beyond grumbling.
We are beyond anger.
We're beyond a shred of faith in those in charge. Occupation. 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 I'm mad. We have no leaders to believe in.
Violence against women trivialized. I'm mad.
Are the educated becoming apathetic?
The way we're being manipulated by big business.
I'm
Just
mad.
receive more coverage when white people die.
That activists becoming closed-minded.
By scoring in the common.
Music service is treated as a luxury by the ignorant.
A fee for a UK without free healthcare.
People so ready to blame religion for the disgusting crimes individuals commit. I'm mad. I'm mad at a demographic state that listens to those that speak at the highest volume over those whose words are most wise. Don't tell me I don't count.
Look around you.
Nothing but distraction.
Try to see with your heart.
A world of corruption. Turn off the lights. Stare at the stars. When I look around, we are all beyond grumbling.
We are beyond anger.
We're beyond a shred of faith in those in charge. Occupation. 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 Occupation.
Self-evident
I believe that no one
Occupation.
Therefore, the media thinks they are changing the way they portray
Occupation.
Too often are people suffering from poor mental health portrayed as
Occupation.